Hi, Tommy. Welcome to Davos 2018. What's your takeaway so far?
Well, we started with a great breakfast this morning with your guests. You were moderating, the two executives from Airbus and from Schneider Electric, together with Omar, on Industry X0, X.0. I think very interesting discussions. A lot of similarities. What our strategy is was my take. You have been moderating this whole thing, so how did you?
It's Tommy, you're right. It's an interesting time, and actually, let me show the underlying research. Reworking the Revolution. Our HR officer, Alan Shook, led the research, and we're looking through actually how do companies change, especially business-to-business companies. In the German-speaking areas, that's what our clients are about. Going on their digital transformation journey and how to take their employees on that journey. And I think that is at the heart of every company.
It was interesting that Dirk quoted that digital transformation has a lot to do with cultural change. It was one of the key things that he mentioned. Next to obviously digitizing processes and products and services, but there seems to be a lot of effort on the human element in digital transformation.
Absolutely. If you look at the building blocks, we talked about smart products, we talked about platforms, we talked about new business models, and then we talked about completely changing the way how we compose engineering and how we do engineering, manufacturing, and dynamically configuring services. So the complete organization has to relearn new ways how to work, relearn new services, relearn new ecosystem members, bringing into the own engineering process. That is a huge cultural change. And I truly believe actually the companies which master the transformation, which master to inspire the people to go on the journey will be the leaders.
I think it's one of key responsibilities of leaders to really let people do what they believe is necessary to do and free the space so they can develop this innovative thinking.
Absolutely right, and we heard it this morning. It's a platform economy, and platform economy brings platform infrastructure. That's the infrastructure for everybody. But when it comes to the behaviors of the team, it's much more decentral, much more entrepreneurial, and much more accelerated. So bus bureaucracy, we heard this morning, as one of the secret sources how to accelerate a company. And I think that is a new norm actually in competition.
Yeah, and also I think lessons to be learned by ourselves to know how we deal with our own organizations, how we develop.
Yeah, we have to reinvent ourselves, I think, all the time, but I believe we are good at that. And looking forward to the rest of Davos. We'll hear more interesting stories which we will share with you.
Great.
Thank you.